Welcome to Terra Naturals. Today in this video, let's explore the making of Tamarind Bioenzyme. Tamarind Bioenzyme derived from fermenting tamarind pulp is a natural product with several uses. Due to its acidic nature, Tamarind Bioenzyme can be used as a natural cleaning agent. It is effective in cleaning brass and copper items by leveraging its acidic properties to remove tarnish and restore shine without any harsh chemicals. Here I am using only concentrated tamarind bioenzyme. Without much effort, within a few seconds you can see the perfect clean and shine. Concentrated bioenzyme can be used for tough stains. I used the diluted one for my daily used vessel. This is my daily use water vessel. I used the diluted one for cleaning it. There is no need for any detergent or Sabina. Let's get started. The ratio should be 15:10:3:1. Container capacity 15 times, water 10 times, tamarind 3 times and jaggery 1 time. This is the standard ratio. It's a 90 days process. First 30 days you have to open and close the lid. Next 60 days leave the container as it is. After 90 days the bioenzyme is ready to use. After 90 days use a filter like this or use a white cloth to filter the bioenzyme. For tamarind bioenzyme there is no need to grind the pulp of the tamarind. You can use as it is. For daily use, you can use the diluted tamarind bioenzyme. Both are very effective cleaners. Always use an inner cap to store the bioenzymes. It is very important to place the inner cap for any bioenzyme. The concentrated and diluted tamarind bioenzyme is ready. Check the bioenzyme formed successfully or not. If you see the white layer like this, the bioenzyme formed successfully. If you see the black layer, the bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see some worms like this, bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see the green color like this, the bioenzyme fully spoiled and you have to discard it. So make sure for the perfect ratio 15:10:3:1. I will share all the making of bioenzymes in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned for other bioenzymes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.